device we have two types. One is S99, supports text only, RFID only. For F99, it supports RFID and fingerprint. Okay, this material is stainless steel and it is waterproof. Okay, in this label it shows how to connect the wire with power supply. This is power supply. We highly recommend it, this one. Okay, check the connection: red for this, black and brown for GND, white to push. Okay, this is the lock, magnetic lock. Each device is coming with a piece of card to add and delete users. Next, we are going to program text and fingerprints. First, check this one. Okay, swipe it. It turns orange. Then swipe the card. Then to exit. Okay. Then we check. See, it works. Then we delete this user to swipe the master card 2 times. Turns green, then exit. See, it is deleted. So we are going to check the fingerprint. Okay. Then turns orange, then swipe it. Okay, then exit, we check it. Oh, not done correctly. Do it again. So it turns green. So this time we did it. See, it works. So, see. Okay, to delete the fingerprint, swipe it 2 times. Okay, then we check. So it is deleted. Also, we can check the connection here.